Hi friends, it's Nancy, and welcome to uh, the quarantine. If you're stuck in the house, I hope you're doing well. Um, Clearly, I've had very little to do except organize stuff. I'm supposed to be working from home, but my internet is so patchy, and the ability for my um, this the my employer servers to handle all of the staff that are currently at home, to handle all of them is very limited. So I did okay from about 7 to 9 this morning, and then that's it. I can access my email, but yeah, not much else. Anyway, so while I've been organizing, I've decided I need to destash some stuff. So all of these things will be being added to my Etsy store today. If you're seeing this video, they've been uploaded. So I guess we'll start right in the middle. So I have these flashcards. So pre-primer words, primer words, and alphabet flashcards. These 3 boxes are now empty. I've bagged them up, and in each they date to 1959. Each card is 3 by 6, and so there's an assortment of the 3 different kinds of flashcards in there, and you will get 7 cards in each package. Hi, kidders. This one is Know Your Birds. So this has a variety of birds in it. And this is dating to, I think, the 1960s as well. And yes, it was 1961. 1961. So on these are, I think these are 3 by 6, and they have a description on the back. So there's 11 in this package. Look at this vintage red rose tea box. I have packages that have a dozen 1960 era tea cards. So in each package there's a dozen tea cards, and there's a variety in each one of trees, birds, animals, but mostly butterflies. I think each one will have 5 or 6 butterflies in there. I had these a long time ago on my shop, and I found that I have one more set. So these are from postcards, and I just made these tags out of them. So there's 1933, 1968, 61, 65, 64, 66, 66, I think that's 67, 1935, 1933, 1942, and 1958. So there's a variety of different images and postmarks and dates. So I just have one set left. Then I have these these are German vocabulary cards. So they date to the 1960s, and they are each 1.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and there's just there's 25 in each one. So on the back, it in green has the English, and then Leighton. Maybe I'm saying it right. Has the German translation. So 25 of those in a package. I also have French vocabulary cards, and very similar. So black on one side, green on the other, and there's 25 in each package. And last but not least, I have some vintage Uncle Wiggily game cards. So these are from the 1940s, and they're just short of about 2 3/4 by 1.5 inches. So there's some red ones and there's some tan colored ones. And that's cute because a lot of them have these little poems on them. Anyway, there's 25 in each of those. I will be posting more in the coming days. So I hope you'll take a look, and I hope everyone's doing well and coping with their shut-inness with verve and aplomb and having a good time about it. Take care, everybody. We'll talk to you again soon. Hi, friends. I'm back organizing my new craft room. So I went to Dollarama and shopped for some new storage ideas. So the first one I got was this plastic box. These come in different colors, like the handles and the snappies are different colors. They didn't have pink, so I had to get white. This one I'm going to put some thread in and put it on my little storage cart where I have my sewing machine. So I'm going to be sorting some thread into there. The other thing I got was these storage boxes. I don't have any scissors up here yet. Here, I'll use my sharp ruler. So those ones were $2. This was $4. And I thought these would be cute in the glass door cabinet. I think I can probably get 4 across. So I'm starting out with 8, but if I can get more, I will. So I'm gonna have to plug in the new label maker, see how that goes. So I can just tuck little things in there. So I've got some tea cards. Here's some little game cards. And what else have I got here? Oh, I've got some vocabulary cards, some flashcards. Maybe I'll stick those in the bottom. Well, those ones aren't going to fit. So those are birds and trees. These ones will fit though. And I think I'll put these vocabulary cards in the top too. That way I know where they are. I can see them quickly. I don't have to dig through any boxes. I am going to label them. So I have both French and German there. Have you ever seen this game? It's called Number Builder. Just looking to see if there's a year on it. I don't think there is, but it just has these little numbers and math signs. So I'm gonna put those in a drawer too, because I can see using those. Anyway, keep your eyes open for Number Builder. All right, so thanks so much for catching this bit. I guess I'm going to be patching together quite a few little videos. Oh shoot, I also went to Meow meow. I also went to Value Village and got some thread. I needed white thread. Can you believe that? So I could have gone and gone to the thread store, the sewing store. But this is a good brand. And there's quite a lot of Gutermann in here, which is another one that I like. I'll have to sort through this. Some of these I'll be sending back. Some of them are wooden spools, so that's kind of cool. Yeah. So there's a couple of, yeah, there's Coats and Clark. So there's some more white thread. Hi, Kidder. This is Fruit of the Loom. That one's going back. So that was $3.99, and I got this other bag as well. It also has some wooden spools that I just like them. And there's kind of a, it's not white, but it's sort of a cream color that I can use. I ran out of thread to make lace clusters that I demoed in an earlier video. All right, so that's what I wanted to show you. Take care. We'll talk soon.